So I've been getting inboxes asking, how can I help you with the HogOn Welding School? Well, I'm always having to purchase things. Come and purchase some box of wire. So I teach flux core, so I'm normally I buy flux and I buy MIG, and then I come over here and I buy rods. Depends on what I'm looking for, but getting wire, rods, and some like gloves, for the students that come, those who don't have, but most people bring their stuff, and like the welding jackets and welding hats, pretty much. So that's pretty much what we need to actually teach. So that's normally the basic PPE getting started, and the safety glasses. And here goes some over here, so I'm writing the right. And having some safety glasses. So that's the goal. That's a few things that I need. So for those who do want to help, those are things that I purchase, to help out. So I appreciate everybody who's been tuning in and been networking with me. Y'all keep getting your hog on. Black Phoenix.